Mr. Singh, today we are together for a new interview with our dear patient Shaun. Hello Shaun, welcome, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, good.
You look real good.
Thank you very much.
I need your experience and I'll ask you some questions about it. And as always, I ask where you are coming from.
Sure, yeah, I come from Plymouth in England.
For what you came here?
I came here for a new smile to repair the damaged teeth that I had.
And I need some experience about the procedure because all our future patients want to know what's going on, what's going to happen.
Yes, right, I would say the most important thing was the lack of pain.
Yeah.
There wasn't any pain. Uncomfortable, very slightly, but no pain. So in the beginning, when you reshape the teeth to accept the zirconium crowns, that was the long part of the day.
The first day.
The first day, yes.
What was the hardest day, longest day?
Longest day in the chair, yes.
But you say lack of pain. I mean,
no pain.
The anesthesia, yes.
No pain, no.
Less pain. Okay.
Just the local injections, and yeah, it was very good.
And you had the shape that you expected. What do you say?
They're excellent, yeah. It's on the advice of yourself. Yes, I chose A1, which was a more natural shade.
It really looks natural.
And the classic shape as well, which I think are fantastic.
And as I know, this is not the first time for you in Antalya, right?
No, I've been to Antalya a few times. I've been here on holiday 2 or 3 times. I used to come with my Turkish Cypriot friends. And also I've been to Balek down the road playing golf.
Playing golf, okay.
Yes, been 5 or 6 times. So yeah, Antalya feels like home.
Right?
Oh yes,
As
yes.
they always do.
Yes, fantastic weather here. Lovely people. Yeah.
Thank you. And I need some more experience about my team, my staff. What do you say? My clinic, maybe.
Chocazel, how about that? Yeah.
You already learned it?
Yeah. No, excellent. Everything's set out really well. From the beginning, you picked up from the airport, VIP transport, straight to the hotel. Hotel.
And you like the hotel as well?
Fine, yes. Not eating much breakfast because with the plastic teeth,
the temporary
teeth.
Exactly.
But no, as the hotel goes, it's fine, nice and clean. And again, it's a pick up in the morning. You're informed when you're due to the clinic here, and no, everything works out well.
My staff. This is
the staff.
Promise.
Excellent.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
No complaints whatsoever.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you. Thank you for all your experience sharing, and I hope I'll see you again. Yeah, we'll show it.
There they are.
Let's do it. Show it to the camera.
Yes.